Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great today. So in today's video, we will be talking an extremely important aspect of technical analysis, which is support and resistance level and how to draw them correctly. So what are support and resistance levels? A support level allows the price to take a pause on a downtrend. So what that means, whenever a price is coming down on a downtrend, it will be at the support level where the price will either accumulate or it will take a sharp bounce up. Similarly, a resistance level allows the price to take a pause on an uptrend. So now the question arises, why support and resistance levels are so important and useful? Firstly, they always give you an accurate entry signal. I always enter a trade after a successful breakout of a resistance level and when it completes a retest on that particular market structure. Secondly, they give you accurate target profit levels. An extremely important and useful strategy is to place your target profit at the immediate structure or resistance level. And lastly, they help you keep correct stop loss values. I always emphasize to keep your stop loss value just below the support level in order to not get stopped out early in your trade. So there are different types traders use to draw support and resistance levels. In this particular video, I will only cover structure levels, the other types being trend lines, moving averages, and Fibonacci levels. I will try my best to cover the remaining levels also. So let's do an example to further understand these concepts. So in front of us I have right now is a Jareer Marketing daily chart. So let's try to draw our support and resistance level and do some analysis for this chart. So the first thing whenever I'm about to start my analysis is that I draw the bottom support and the top resistance level. So it gives me an idea that the price will be working, it will be fluctuating only between these two levels. So I can see that the bottom level right now at this stage is this one where the price is taking a pause. So we will consider this as our key support level. And similarly, I can see that this is the highest point where the price reached. So this will be our key resistance level. All right. So the second thing what I do before when I'm doing my analysis is that I identify my sub resistance and support level. What I mean by this is that I identify key levels where the price took a sharp turn up. So I can see as an example over here at this stage the price took a sharp turn and just shoot it up directly towards the next structure. So this will be my key level over here. Similarly, I can see another key level over here where the price took a sharp turn. So I will draw one structure here just like that. Let me give another color so we know we are talking right now about our substructures. So similarly, I can see another key level over here where the price took a sharp turn. So we will draw another structure here. All right. So now these key levels or these structures will be acting as support and resistance level during our analysis. So let's get started in our trade right now. So I can see over here that the price is coming down sharply and currently it is resting on this support level. So now the key points to ponder right now is whether the price can break this support level or it will take a sharp bounce up towards this structure. So let's see what happens in the coming days. So as you can see that the price broke this support level, but it came back up sharply, indicating that the buyers have strong signal over here. So let's see the next candle. We get a red candle, so no trade at the moment. Now this over here is a beautiful pin bar with a strong wick rejection at the support level. So I can enter this trade with a very less risk because we are at the support level. So we can place our short stop loss over here just below the support level. And as always, I will keep my target profit at the immediate resistance level. So it's a very good trade, about 1:4 ratio. So let's see how it plays off. All right, we have very strong momentum and it's looking perfect right now. It looks like we will hit our target profit, but making a small retracement. And it sure does. So trade number 1 is closed successfully. Now another key thing we can see over here is that we observed a breakout of this resistance level, but we will not enter this trade because we need to ensure that the successful retest is done, and then only we should enter the trade. So I will wait furthermore before I enter this trade. So I see that this price is coming down. We are looking for a successful retest. So if I get any bullish or green candle, I will be entering the trade. This is not enough, it's a very small candle, so let's wait furthermore. And as you can see that the price came down, so there is no trade. Now another key point over here is that I will never enter a trade when the price is in between these key levels. I have to wait patiently for either the price to come at this level, at support level, before I enter, or this level, resistance level, is broken. So only then I will enter. Before that, I will just wait for the price to come to these levels. So we wait patiently further. As you can see, nothing is happening right now. The price is just fluctuating in a range period. Let's see if it can break this resistance level. We wait patiently further. As you can see, the price is trying to break this resistance level, but it is failing to do so. So we wait further. All right. Now as you can see that the price did break this structure, but it failed to do so comprehensively, so we will further wait for an accurate entry signal. As you can see, it requires a lot of patience to enter a trade successfully. So still I will not enter. It does not seem to have much momentum right now, so we wait for to see further price action. Now I can see a kind of a retest happening over here. If I just further zoom in over here, the price broke this level, it's coming back. If I get a successful retest, if I get any green candles, I can enter and target this as my target profit level. So let's see what happens. Still I have no entry signal. Alright, so now our things are getting interesting, as I can see that there is a very beautiful wick rejection at this level. So this indicates that the buyers are trying to enter this trade. So let's see if I get another nice candle. Now this is a perfect candle for the entry. As you can see that the price broke this structure level, it made a retest, and now it's showing me momentum. So always we should enter with momentum. So we can enter this trade over here. And as always, we will put our stop loss just below the support level, and our target profit will be the immediate resistance level. It is almost 1:4 ratio. So let's see how the price goes in the coming days. Immediately I can see that the price is on a strong bullish run, and we will be hitting our target profit, and we sure do. So basically this is how you use support and resistance level to further improve your probability of winning trades. I know it is a bit lengthy and complicated process, but it does require practice, and if you master this single technique, I can assure you your results will increase with great numbers. So I hope this video was useful for you. You can always leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box. Thank you so much.